Welcome back, and it is the Tech Thinker Lab 3D here. And today I'm going to be explaining how to change your settings in Fusion 360 from normal rotating orbit, where it is on a cube in the corner, turning it into your right click settings as I am showing on the screen now. So if you want to change it from this to using your right clicker to rotate an orbit around your 3D model, all you have to do is go to your setting. You can go to preferences. Once you've clicked on preferences, the pop-up menu will be displayed. And in the left top, just check that you are in the general setting. From there, you can just scroll all the way down and you can click on over there, and yours will be on Fusion. All you have to do is change it from Fusion to the the Tinkercad, and your settings can be applied, and you click OK, and here from here on you can just rotate with the right clicking in. Thank you for all of that. Please like, share, and subscribe.